Hi guys, welcome to Mercy's in the kitchen. Today guys, we're going to cook some sweet Jamaican food called chicken back. Guys, we're going to do some curry chicken back with white dumpling. So guys, we're going to put on the chicken back first because it's a bone, so it takes time to cook. Guys, if you are born Jamaican, you know about this sweet chicken back. Guys, it carries a lot of bone and also a lot of fat, but guys, have a little meat on it. Sometimes I get some will look really fat and look like chicken, but sometimes I get some very mager looking one. But these don't look so bad because I have a little fat. It come with a little bit of fat, not much fat this time, and it come with, you know, little meat on it. Sometimes they're very mager, guys. Very bare bone, nothing though on it, just dry out and look away. But this one don't look so bad, guys. As look at it, you can see it. Have a little meat on it. See here, have a little meat on it. So guys, I'm going to season it now. And guys, if you ask somebody about chicken back, Jamaican, born Jamaican, guys, when you brown stew this, you know, guys, it's sweet. Even when you fry it dry and when you cook the ackee and chew the ackee and it, guys, you don't want this chicken back to finish. Guys, I love my chicken back. You know why I love it, so guys? The bone. I love the bone, what it carry the bone. So guys, when I curry this down today, guys, and I get a cup of lemonade with it, guys, something to talk about. So guys, inside here I have 4 different type of season I mix together. I will put it in the description, guys, for you to know what I mix inside of this. So I'm going to throw it inside of it, and I'm also going to put in my chopped garlic and scallion and onion inside here. I'm not going to put any curry on it now. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to cook the curry into the pot before I put in the chicken back on it. So I'm going to mix this together. Guys, soon I'm going to wash my hand and come back. Because I need to mix it with my hand to rub in the season on it. Use the hand carry everything and mix it into it. So guys, the pot is on, and guys, normally you can use water or oil to cook your curry. Most people use oil, but guys, I love to use water to cook my curry because the fat on this meat, even when you clean off it and tear off the fat off it, it still remain fat. Guys, when you cook, I'm going to show it to you. So guys, I'm going to use water to cook my curry, and then I'm going to put the meat inside of it, guys. Look at it, guys. I have about 3 tablespoons of curry here. I'm going to throw some water into it. And guys, I'm going to mix up this curry. See guys? After I finish mixing up the curry, I'm going to make it cook for a little while, and then I'm going to put in my meat on it. Here guys, look on it. You see it? So it can look nice. So guys, it's time for me to put in my meat. So guys, we're going to turn over. Guys, I'm going to put some more water into it, but we're going to mix in our chicken back into the curry. Guys, look now, we're going to put some more water on it. And remember guys, when you're cooking your curry, the flame of the fire must be always low, because guys, curry cannot cook on high fire. will sick you. It haste and cook and it do not cook properly. So you have to cook it on a very low flame for that curry to cook and that don't hurt your tummy. Because guys, when you haste and cook that curry, the high flame underneath it, that curry just fast cooking, and after a while guys, you find your tummy start to hurt you because the curry do not cook. It just fast cook and do not cook properly. So when you cook it on a low flame, so I'm going to put in my pepper and also my thyme, and I'm going to close it and allow it to cook, guys. So guys, it's time for me to check on our meat. Look at it. So guys, you do not know the difference. That's I do not rub the curry and the meat. You see guys, you don't know the difference. See it? Look how pretty it is. Can't tell the difference, guys. It's techniques in cooking. Look, guys. So guys, look on it. So guys, you see when you cook your curry, before putting the meat on it, it do not sick you. You guys don't have to put any ginger inside of it because the curry is the one that sick you. So once that curry is cooked properly, it do not sick your tummy. You don't have to worry if you don't have any ginger, just like me. I don't have any ginger at home now, so I don't put any ginger into it. So guys, when you cook your curry, just make it cook good and you don't have to worry about nothing. So guys, look on it. Have a little more way to go. You go down to gravy, don't remove the flame and you go and cook our white dumpling. So guys, you know, when you're cooking curry, it have to be spicy, you know. So I'm going to put one of the pepper. Guys, I'm going to burst the pepper and make it go into it. Guys, if you ever smell it, smell this crushed potted pepper in it. Wow. So guys, it's time for me to turn off the flame underneath. Guys, you might wonder why I don't put any salt inside of the curry. Guys, you know why I don't put any salt? Because the curry what I use carries salt. And every ingredients it carries salt. You carry pimento seed, all different type of things mixed together. If you add any salt to it, you're going to get very salty meat. So guys, I do not put any salt in it because I tried already and to really wash off my meat back and re-season it because the meat is very salt. Because the curry has salt and I never know. So guys, and I read the ingredients on it and I show me that you don't need any salt. So I don't put any salt in the curry that I use. So guys, it's time for me to remove the flame. I'm going to put my dumpling now. So guys, I put on my pottery here we're going to cook my dumpling into. I'm going to put a small amount of salt into it and I'm going to go ahead and make my dumpling. So guys, I'm going to make my dumpling now. So guys, in here I have about 2 cups of flour and I'm going to put a small amount of salt into it, guys, and then I'm going to make my dumpling and I'm going to mix in my salt into it. Guys, you can use your hand and also can use spoon to make your dumpling. Guys, wash your hand and clean out your nails. Make sure your nails is very clean to make your dumpling, because guys, you know, underneath our nails sometimes, so we have to clean out our nails and go ahead and wash our hand and go ahead and make our dumpling. So guys, we're going to show inside the milk, guys, are going to show small amount of water there. I'm going to start to mix. Small amount of water. Guys, and mix. Guys, I love when my dumpling uses to clean out container and mix it, guys. See it? So this is where it look, guys. And I'm going to break it up and see how much dumpling I can get out of it. I don't like my dumpling too big. So guys, I'm going to get about put a next look a piece on this. So guys, I'm going to get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dumpling out of it. So guys, I'm going to start to make my dumpling. Guys, dumpling is easy to make, you know, guys. You just have to put it on and put your hand underneath. Put it's inside your hand like this, guys. You see it? And you just take your next hand and carry it under. See it? See it? Use your finger then and just bring it under, you see it? And make your dumpling. Try next one, guys. So put your finger like here and bring it under. And make your dumpling. It's time for me to put in our dumpling. So guys, I have something what I want to show to you. So guys, look on the dumpling. You see it floating? So guys, once you see a dumpling is floating, it cook. You see guys? Look on it. Remember guys, when I put my dumpling into the pot, it was down. Laid down like this. It was laid down. And now guys, it float up. So the dumpling is cooked. If you want to know when your dumpling is cooked, it floats after it's cooked, guys. You see it? It's lift up. So you can know that it's time for you to eat your dumpling.